Remember where that's at, by the way.
Yeah.
He'll definitely be there. He's working on something for the future.
It's a woodpecker home.
Just for one day a toucan comes by and just
Exactly. That's what I was gonna say.
People, those cereal commercials lied to you.
Yeah. Those birds are not fruity.
They're not friendly either.
Yeah, the quality
That's awesome.
is amazing.
Look at him work.
Yeah.
So the tongue of the woodpecker wraps up behind the brain and gives us some extra cushion for whenever it's banging its head on these branches.
Also, don't feel bad for the woodpeckers. They go into a dove's nest and they peck on the baby's head and eat the brains. So.
Yeah.
No
Man,
one's
this tour
innocent
just
here.
went dark really fast.
The real world, the real story behind the birds. Wow, that's loud and pretty. I'm gonna try to see what's making that sound.
Now this, I misidentified the wren as a mockingbird before, but this one actually is a tropical mockingbird.